How do you save $10,000 when your income stays the same? No raise. No second job. No luck. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. Fix the system, and your money changes. The problem: most people live paycheck to paycheck. Not because they're lazy, but because money disappears fast. Small things add up. Eating out, subscriptions, impulse buying. You don't notice it daily, but over time, it drains your money. And here's the truth: you don't need more money. You need control. The solution: you need a simple plan. Not complicated, not stressful. Just a system that works. 3 things. Control spending. Save automatically. Stay consistent. That's it. Step-by-step explanation. Step 1. Track your money. Awareness. You can't fix what you don't see. For 7 days. Track everything you spend. Even small things. Coffee. Snacks. Transport. This shows you where your money leaks. Step 2. Cut invisible expenses. Now look at your list. Find things you don't really need. Examples: subscriptions you forgot, daily snacks, random online shopping. Cut just $5 per day. That's it. $5 per day equals $150 per month. Step 3. Use the 50/30/20 rule. Simple budget. Split your money. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. If you can't hit 20%, start with 10%. The goal is consistency. Step 4. Automate your savings. This is powerful. Set auto-transfer to savings. Right after you get paid. Even $100 per month works. You don't think. You don't forget. It just happens. Step 5. Increase savings without feeling pain. Don't cut everything. Just reduce slightly. Example: eat out 3 times instead of 5. Buy less, not 0. This keeps your life balanced. Real example with numbers. Let's keep it simple. If you save, $5 per day equals $150 per month. $100 automatic savings. That's $250 per month. In 12 months, you save $3,000. In 3 years, you hit $9,000 plus. Now add small bonuses, gifts, or extra savings. You reach $10,000. No extra income. Just better habits. Simple recap. You don't need more money. You need a system. Do this. Track your spending, cut small daily costs, follow a simple budget, automate savings, stay consistent. Small changes, big results. If this helped you, subscribe to Capital Compass. We make money simple. No stress. No confusion. Just clear steps to build wealth. And remember, you don't need to earn more to start. You just need to start today.